look pretty good for this only being my third time bleaching the knots. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys could see, I tore up this bald cap method, or whatever you want to say it was. I didn't do a good job. But that's not what we're doing today. We're not going to be talking about the bald cap method. We're going to be talking about this wig that was sent to me by BLY Hair on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave all the information in my description box. And we're about to get into this video. Alright, like I said, today's unit was sent over by BLY Hair, aka Beauty, Love, and Youth on Amazon. So on the back of the box, it does show their information and where you can contact them to get you some hair, sis. So we're going to get into the specs on the wig. So they sent me a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. If I'm not correct, it's 13 by 6. I assume it is because of how long the parting space is. But it was 12 inches, and I do like how they specify that it's 12 inches stretched. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the wig. This is the wig. Boom. And this is after I have bleached the wig. I did not pluck it. I just bleached the knots to the best of my ability. Now, I am a self-taught kind of gal. This is only my third time bleaching a wig, so pretty much, yeah, this is what you got. And I think it looked pretty good for this only being my third time bleaching the knots. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked how I bleached the knots. And also, let me know if the Quick Blue bleaching powder is better to use, because I've been hearing that lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking. We're gonna try this wig on, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. take a second to appreciate this wig. Overall, like I said, I do rate this a wig a 4 out of 5 because of the lace is a little light. If you are of darker complexion, it's not gonna go ahead and be so easy to melt into your skin unless you do possibly like a lace tint, I would say. I never worked with a lace tint, so I can give you guys that. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notification buttons so that you're notified whenever your girl drop another video. And also make sure to like this video down below. All links to this hair will be in my description box. And have a good one, ladies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.